Humanoid robots have taken a big leap lately, like weirdly lifelike big. We're talking bots that flex muscles, sweat, throw punches, and even run marathons alongside humans. It's been a wild few days in the world of robotics, and things are getting real fast. Let's start with Clone Robotics, the company that previously went viral for their unnervingly lifelike robotic torso. They've now taken things to the next level with the debut of their first full-body humanoid robot called the Proto-Clone. This android is a serious piece of engineering. It's been designed to replicate the human musculoskeletal system as closely as possible. The Proto-Clone is built around a polymer skeleton that resembles all 206 human bones, give or take a few practical fusions. Its movement is powered by over 1,000 artificial muscles called myofibers. These function similarly to McKibben actuators, which use fluid to stimulate the contraction and expansion of real muscle tissue. Thanks to this setup, the robot boasts about 200 degrees of freedom, allowing for a wide range of motion and flexibility, not unlike what you'd expect from a human body. What truly sets the Proto-Clone apart, though, is how much sensory tech it packs. With more 500 sensors, including depth cameras, pressure sensors, and inertial measurement units, it can actively perceive and react to its surroundings in real time. It's an attempt to bridge the gap between robotic movement and natural human motion. One of the more unusual but fascinating features of the Proto-Clone is its cooling system, which is inspired by human sweating. The robot uses a water-based internal cooling mechanism to dissipate heat generated by its muscles. It's almost like the machine is sweating under pressure, literally. Currently, the robot's movements are powered by pneumatics, but Clone Robotics plans to switch to hydraulics down the line. That could make movements quieter and more efficient, particularly for tasks requiring greater force. However, not everyone is convinced by the hype. Online reactions are mixed. Some viewers point out that the robot still needs support to remain upright, and it's been shown suspended during demos. That makes it more a proof of concept at this stage than functional bot. Critics joke that it looks more like a high-tech puppet, especially with a power cable sticking out from a not-so-elegant spot. Others question whether it's just a flashy marketing stunt. Reddit users have gone back and forth, with some likening the robot's aesthetic to a stripped-down android from HBO's Westworld, cool or creepy, depending on your perspective. Its faceless, black visor design gives a sleek appearance to some, while others argue it's even more unsettling without facial expression. That said, there's real excitement around the possibilities. A humanoid robot that can operate in spaces designed for humans like kitchens, offices, or workshops makes sense. Clone Robotics envisions the Proto-Clone eventually performing tasks like cooking, cleaning, and other domestic chores. They're designing it to be practical, useful, and durable over time. Still, technical hurdles remain. Hydraulics, for instance, can be expensive, noisy, and heavy, and powering such a system without a tethered cable will require a serious battery setup. Even so, the attention this prototype is receiving is hard to ignore. If the company can make its artificial muscle tech more robust and scalable, we would be witnessing a significant leap forward in robotics in the next decade. Switching gears to another futuristic, if slightly odd, development, robot boxing. Yes, that's happening. A Chinese company called Unitree Robotics is generating buzz with an upcoming humanoid robot boxing match. The event, titled Unitree Iron Fist King Awakening, sounds like something of a sci-fi video game, and a teaser video has already surfaced. In the clip, we see their smaller humanoid robot, the G1, standing about 1.32 meters tall, sparring with a human and later ducking it out with another G1 unit. While the motions are still clunky and far from UFC ready, it's pretty impressive to see these bots get back after being knocked down, a testament to their balance and resilience. The biggest challenge so far? Responsiveness. The G1 bots currently struggle with real-time reactions, dodging punches, recovering balance, and counterattacks. It's a classic sensor and processing problem. But Unitree claims they're working hard to improve things, using motion capture data to teach the robots how to move more like actual athletes. They've even thrown in some dance routines and a touch of kung fu for good measure. The livestream match is planned for about a month from now, although Unitree hasn't confirmed which robot will enter the ring. They also have a larger model, the H1, which is 1.8 meter tall. That unit might be too big for this round, but who knows, maybe we're looking at the early days of a full-fledged robot fight league. Predictably, online reactions are all over the place. Some people are excited to see how far the technology has come, while others see it as a publicity stunt. Still, there's no denying this will draw viewers, whether out of curiosity or pure entertainment value. As if humanoid bots trading punches wasn't enough, how about racing them and marathon? The 2025 Beijing E-Town Half Marathon is taking things to the next level by inviting humanoid robots to run alongside human participants. Set for April 13, this 21.1-kilometer race will see more than 30,000 human runners competing, and a group of robots designed by research institutes, robotic firms, and universities will join them on a separate, protected path, of course. To avoid chaos, physical barriers will keep robots in human support. Plus, the completion rules and timing standards for the bots will differ from the humans because, let's be real, they're not quite Olympic ready yet. That said, some robot prototypes are already capable of reaching speeds of up to 12 kilometers per hour. That's pretty impressive considering the complexities involved in bipedal movement, especially over long distances. Engineers are even designing special shock absorbers and robot-sized running shoes to prevent long-term damage from the stress of pounding pavement for 21 kilometers. According to Li Quan, a senior figure from the Beijing E-Town Committee, this event isn't just for show. It's designed to be a stress test for cutting-edge robotic technologies. The goal is to push boundaries in everything from motor strength and joint flexibility to AI motion algorithms and the integration of software with hardware systems. Experts agree that getting humanoid robots to compete half marathon without falling apart or losing stability would be a huge milestone. It's less about racing the fastest humans and more about testing robotic endurance in real-world environments like uneven terrain and changing weather. These are the kinds of variables that separate novelty tech from serious innovation. Humanoid robots are no longer just science fiction, they're showing up in our homes, sports, and even entertainment. Sure, some still need help standing, and others look more like puppets than polished machines. But each new design is pushing the boundaries of what robots can do. People are split. Some laugh at the weird, awkward movements or call them creepy like something out of Westworld. Others see serious potential, robot built to work in our world alongside us, doing everyday tasks. Whether it's clone muscle flexing proto-clone, Unitree's boxing bots, or robotic runners in Beijing, one thing is clear. Robots are here and they're only getting more lifelike. So here's the big question. Are we building useful tools to help us? Or are we just feeding our need to play creator? Would you welcome robot roommate or shut it down the moment it blinked? Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.